Trên nhân đây lại chỉ hai cho của nên suốt những cho này cháu sợ đời lắm lòng thế này.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you guys. I like to welcome you guys to the official album. Yeah, I know. It's been a long time coming, hasn't it? A long time coming. Well, I'd like to thank you guys for your patience. Yes, sir. Thank you for your support, and most importantly, thank y'all for waiting. Here it is. Yo. Hey yo, I wake up eyes tired to another day again. Aw shit, I got class, but I'm late again. And the world ain't been great, so I pray for change. I don't go to church, man, but I pray to him. And just hope for good news, cause my papa once told me you ain't gotta go to church just to be a good dude. Shit, if you thought I was bad, man, this dude is better. If I could only play them words, I'd be a famous small rapper. If you thought I was dope, man, he got some dumber lines. Made me think back to the days when we had some fun at times. Fishing with number lines, he must love Christmas, cause my uncle and him still jingle bell in the summertime. And my mom was up to date like the media, man. Keep us out on cool deals like Expedia, man. She said, see if you can buy a house like everyone else, but I told her it's the trend like the preview van. So much hate in the world, man, it's hard to stay focused. So much death and diseases, it's hard not to notice. I see the future of our people lost in the streets and hear the rumbling of drums when they lost in the heat. It's only been a minute, yet I feel so numb. Can understand why they took my cousin Peg so young. And maybe it's life to test a man like that, and why them dudes disrespect child bang like that. I know I'm 3 years late, but fuck it, I already wrote the lyrics. We all be good if we just check each other. Everybody be good if we respect each other. So much hate in the world, gotta change the world.